Rob, what are we looking at here?
So this is a Daikin 6kw heat pump.
And the install was done by?
Octopus Energy.
Amazing. How long have you had it?
December, middle of December.
And what made you choose to get a heat pump?
The natural evolution from solar, electric cars, heat pump is next. Get rid of gas, and just be more energy efficient.
Brilliant. And what's the benefits you've seen?
Constant temperatures in the house, lower heating costs, and it just works.
Can you hear it? Super silent. That's it.
Yeah.
Frankly, you wouldn't even know it's running right now. That's how quiet it is. And you're zappy. Brilliant.